Hello, APQC is so excited to announce our new Learning Lab workshops held in conjunction with our Process and Knowledge Management Conference the week of May 9th through 13th.
Led by hands-on practitioners and APQC experts, these learning labs immerse you in real-life scenarios where you get the hands-on activities and skill development that don't come from regular training. So consider how you can learn core, process, and knowledge management best practices through these efforts.
And Jeff, what I'm really excited about is that it's delivered by our own experienced SMEs and trainers, real life experiences, as he said. And you're also going to get best-in-class examples, best practices, a workbook with tools, templates, and case studies, all for practical application and practical implementation. So if you're interested in building a high-powered knowledge management strategy,
applying process frameworks to achieve higher performance,
breakthrough improvement for team-based engagement,
and so much more, consider joining us for these learning labs at our conference this year.
For more information, please register at www.apqc.org/events. We look so forward to seeing you.
See you there.